welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Tiara at HerSheEatsGood. How you guys doing today? Coming at you guys with another mukbang video. Today I'm doing it a little different, y'all. I got some spicy black bean and hot and spicy ramen noodles. I have some cucumbers that I made an Asian way with like sesame and rice wine vinegar, some crispy chili oil, and garlic. I have boiled eggs. I also have my kimchi back here. I also have some more 2-time spicy sauce that I'm going to put on the noodles. I'm going to just do that now. This stuff is good, y'all. It's spicy, but it'd be good. Okay, let's get that out the way. But how are you guys doing today, y'all? I really hope that all is well. All is well with me. I'm ready to dive in. I've been thinking about this meal all day because, as y'all know, I have been doing butter sauce reviews, so I've been doing nothing but seafood, so it is refreshing to get a little break. But before I do dive into my food, y'all already know what I ask y'all every time. My lips a little dry. Sorry, y'all. That's right. How is your mind? How's your heart? How is your soul? How are you? I really hope that all is well. As you can see, all is well with me. So I'm ready to dive in. Got my chopsticks, y'all. And I'll see if y'all can see. These noodles are piping hot. So I'm just like, ugh. And this is that combination. I've done videos like this before with these noodles. Same combination. Oh, I have Enoki mushrooms in here, like kind of mixed in too. Yeah, so y'all gonna get all kind of crunchy sounds today. But I hope all is well, y'all. I really do. Is my lighting okay? Y'all let me know if this lighting works. I be trying to brighten it, dim it. I don't know, y'all. Because then I notice like stuff that's like white, like egg and stuff like that, always look like it's glowing when the light is too bright. So y'all know y'all gotta help your girl out. These noodles be so good together. Look, I'm eating too fast. So it's the I think I showed it on another video. It's the brown pack of the black bean noodles that comes with like a it comes with the dried vegetables on the powder soup base. I mix it with the regular black pack of the spicy hot chicken noodles. Fire. And y'all know I love kimchi. So good. But I hope you guys are doing well. Y'all have more cucumbers. My husband tasted them and he could not stop eating them, y'all. I'm telling him, like, I don't have nothing for the video. Y'all got my tumbler. Y'all love my cup. And y'all already know my friend Diamond did that. And if y'all are interested in tumblers, she does books, water bottles, anything you would like to have custom, she can do. I ain't gonna say anything, but check out her website, okay? I've seen a couple of things, so I'm gonna link it down below so y'all can be able to check her out. All right, y'all. I'm not gonna front. I think this is the way I want to make my cucumbers from now on. Fire. So, so good. It's seasoned rice wine vinegar or rice vinegar. I'm pretty sure it says seasoned. Make sure it's seasoned rice vinegar. I use a little bit of sesame oil, minced garlic, soy sauce, and the crisp chili oil with the oil and the chilies that's at the bottom. Y'all, for those of you who might like a cucumber salad, try it this way. It's delicious. I kid you not. It's really good. Mm. Mm. But yes, y'all, I have I think I completed all my butter. You know what? No, I have one more sauce coming. I believe it's Flavors by Dame Dash. Yeah, I haven't gotten that yet. So whenever I do that, that may be the next seafood video, to be honest with you guys. Because my next video, I want to do some Indian food. My good girlfriend been coming over. And every time she come over, she be getting some, the tikka masala. It be smelling so good, y'all. I think I want some. But, of course, I'll probably get a shrimp. Or like some, I know I got some salmon curry before. Y'all, we have a whole cafe in our building. Terrible. And they deliver to our door. Terrible. Y'all, that's why it's like oops. My kids, they know on Fridays they get pizza. I had to chill out on that for a while. Yo, because I was buying pizza like every Friday. But like, oh no. It had got to the point where, like, let's just say, parents, we keep like little quick stuff, frozen stuff like that for the kids. Because you might not want to cook all the time. And let's just say I have some frozen pizzas in there. And I'll be like, all right, y'all, y'all gonna have pizza. They be like, oh yes, we ordered from downstairs. Like, oh, excuse me. No, we ordering it right from this deep freezer. Then they give you that look like we can't get the pizza from downstairs. Like, no, don't get this pizza from this deep freezer. I'm gonna hook it up with some extra cheese and some things. Okay. It's good. Y'all, these Enoki's a little bit bigger. You see that? And the ones I usually get, they're organic Enoki mushrooms. But the ones I usually get, I didn't see those, but I seen these and I was just like, well, we haven't had those in a while, so I'm just going to get them. And my son, who's vegetarian, he like them anyway. He'll eat them with anything. He like mushrooms like that. So. Yo. Why did we never know about this recipe before? Like, who be hiding this stuff? You know what I'm saying? Like, who be hiding this stuff? I don't understand that. Lord knows. But y'all, I really have a topic today. I'm just coming, to kick it with y'all. But since we talking about no topics, I don't know how this correlates, but is y'all keeping up with all of the monthly disasters that's happening? Yeah. It's like, I don't even think, it's not a year thing. I just feel like we are in a time where people are just being I don't want to say awakened to, but it's just like people are really seeing the world for what it is. You get what I'm saying? Because I feel like growing up, because even I was, you know, you're naive to so much stuff, and then when you become an adult, most of us, you really start to pay attention. Because you hear a lot of people saying stuff getting crazy, it's like, nah. Stuff been crazy. Like, in reality, when you think about it, stuff has been crazy. People used to own people. There were farms where people were making people have sex with each other to breed more people. Like, things have been crazy. They've been crazy. It's the same way you notice like how things evolve. Like at one point we had these big old chunky cell phones, and now you have a cell phone that could be the size of your hand. The same way the crazy evolves. Like I feel like things been crazy, but it has to go along with the times. You know what I'm saying? It has to. As far as it not looking like it's really crazy, but in reality, it be crazy. You know what I'm saying? So, I feel like just always keep yourself aware of what's going on. Like, just stay up on stuff. You don't want to be caught off guard. You know what? Look. Easy peasy. Don't make life hard. Just keep yourself up on, you know, things going on. Keep yourself educated. Although it gets harder and harder to really decipher the truth beyond the bull, because, you know, the truth is constantly being watered down, or it's being, I can't even say hidden, because a lot of times the truth is hidden in plain sight. But you have to use your discernment along with your knowledge. I feel like nowadays. You just do. So, y'all just stay safe out there. Hug your loved ones. Kiss your kids, kiss your parents, your aunties, your uncle, your grandparents. Because it's just, it's one thing after another, after another. That's it. The situation that happened in Colorado, so devastating. Like, 1 minute you're living your regular life, shopping in the grocery store, the next minute you're gone. Like, and of course nobody fathoms the day they wake up, they're like, oh no, this could be the day. Like, nobody fathoms that. So just be wise, y'all. Talk to older people. They've been here. Okay, they've been through some things. Like, I didn't really have like my grandparents coming up, like my own, like my dad's parents or my mom's parents. Like my dad's mom, I met her a few times, but I didn't like have her, like, you know how some people have their grandparents in their life, like they're, you know, actively a part of their lives. I didn't have that, so I always have longed to like want a grandmom or a grandpa. And it's so funny because fortunately I have a neighbor. She's an older lady, and she always tells me like, you know, you one of my children too. You know, she's so sweet, and I just love talking with her and just sitting with her and, you know, just soaking up that wisdom. So I know young people sometimes feel like talking to old people can be boring. I'm telling you, it's very wise. They've been here before you. They've seen. You think this stuff is crazy? You ain't seen nothing. So it's very wise. If you have grandparents, talk to them. Sit with them. Love on them. Like, not even just for the time that they have here, but for the experiences that they have, for the wisdom that they have. Like, it ain't nothing like grandparent wisdom or like older person wisdom. It's nothing like it. They have real first-hand experience, you know? But on a lighter note, I just really hope that I'm always hopeful that things will get better. And I mean that on a grand scale. I mean socially. I mean environmentally. I mean spiritually. I mean on a grand scale. I just hope that things just get better. Yes, y'all, I'm picking up my eggs by stabbing them. Yes, I am. Don't judge me. But I'm always hopeful of that. And if not during my lifetime, at least during my kids, when they get older lifetime. And if not during theirs, well, at least for their kids' lifetime. Like, I just hope things get better on a grand scale. But on a small scale, you know, if you have control over yourself, you can control the good things that happen. You know, you can control happy moments and, well, not to control, but you know, you can kind of like encourage those things for yourself. You know what I mean? Like, although we, you know, deal with some bad things out in this world, doesn't mean you have to live in that space. You get what I mean? It's a mental thing, really. It really is. Y'all, these noodles are so bomb. And I almost went down my third one. That's why I sounded funny. But I was saying these noodles is bomb. I added some green onion to it. Like, what? And today the spice ain't really getting to my throat. Thank goodness. Because I swear, and I notice every time I eat something spicy, it be making my throat feel irritated. Like, what is that about? This is definitely how I want to make my cucumbers from now on, y'all. Right, no cap. Actually, this is how I'm going to make them from now on. This is bomb. I mean, bomb. Try it. Fire. And I didn't measure anything, so I'm not going to put a recipe down below. But Google, well, you could Google it, but what I Googled was a little different. All I did, this is all I did. I added sesame oil, soy sauce, minced garlic, crisp chili oil, seasoned rice vinegar. 5 things, and then obviously the cucumber. So, take it or leave it. it's funny because my sister, shout out to Will and Jay Eats, my sister Jay, she was the one who told me about it first. She was like, I make these Asian cucumbers, they be so good. And I was just like, well, what you put in it? So she told me. I was like, okay. But she told me this a while ago. So then I was like, I'm having these noodles, Asian cucumbers. So I had to call and get the ingredients or whatever. She made hers a little different. I think she used like regular vinegar. And she has this stuff called like crunchy garlic oil. And I was like, man, I don't have that, but I got the crispy chili oil. And I just use garlic. You know what I'm saying? So, fire though. Y'all. Fire. Try those cucumbers. I'm dead serious. And they haven't even been sitting long, like to really soak up the flavor. And they still are very flavorful. That's what's so crazy. Right. Yeah, I gotta make some of these for my husband for his lunch. Because he was all in them. He was all in. That's why I would have had more, y'all. I'm trying to tell y'all. That's good. I'm getting to the end because I ain't getting full. This meal has been that. I'm gonna save that juice. I think I got some more cucumbers in there. I don't like to waste stuff, y'all. If anybody's saying like she always talking about same stuff, I don't like to waste stuff. I don't do that. My mama didn't teach me that. My mama did not teach me to waste. Told me to utilize. Good. But on another note, if some of y'all may have, by the time you see this video, seen my first ice eating ASMR video. Yo, I must just speak briefly on it. I just want to say that I'm just like, I feel so good about this channel. That's it. That's all. So if you haven't checked it out, check it out. I don't know if by the time you see this video, if I have more videos out, but I will be working on that if not. But in the description box below, you will find the link. And if you're like me, those sounds are very relaxing to you, check me out. Check me out, y'all. For real. Yo, I love kimchi. I was just like, I haven't had it in a while too. That's so good. Right. It really is. I'm telling you, if you never tried it and you want to know what it tastes like, go try it. That's what I did. I was just like, let me just see what it's like. Now, like I said, the brand, I think I showed y'all on my, I did a stir-fried noodle review. That's my first time trying kimchi. So I showed y'all the brand on there. So if you want the brand that I like, I get it from Whole Foods. It's really good. Go check out that video. So I got a fork here, y'all. This will have me here all night, okay? Y'all know I can use some chopsticks, but when it get down to the nitty gritty, it takes too long. Mm. Mm. These Enoki mushrooms, they taste like the other ones. They're just a little bit bigger. The taste is similar, which is really not much. You just take on the flavor of whatever you cook it in, really. Y'all, that was good. A delicious meal for the Lolo. And I have some excuse me, Perrier pineapple water mixed with this Deer Park sparkling lemon water. I know, I just mixed it together. I have come to the end of this video, y'all. Thank y'all so much for joining me. I really do appreciate you guys' time. I know that is a very precious commodity. Something else? Can I get it? I got it. But yes, thank you guys so much for stopping by my channel. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you share this video with everyone. Make sure you comment down below. Also, if you subscribe to my channel, thank you so much. Make sure your post notification bell is turned on. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, what are you doing? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You might as well hit the bell too at the same time. So that way you can just knock out two birds with one stone. You know what I'm saying? So, but until the next time I see you guys, whether it's here or whether it's at Hershey Eats Ice, make sure you are taking care of your mind, your heart, and your soul. Take care of you. And if you can, make sure you take care of those around you that you love. So until next time I see you guys, bye.